Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. Today, we're exploring 15 Amazon kitchen gadgets that every senior will find incredibly helpful, that you probably didn't know you needed, but once you see them, you'll definitely want them in your kitchen. So friends, let's start. Hot Air Corn Popper. Introducing the Cuisinart Easy Pop Hot Air Popcorn Maker, your new go-to for fast, healthy snacking. This compact machine uses powerful hot air instead of oil, giving you light, fluffy popcorn in just a few minutes. It produces up to 10 cups per batch, perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or after-school snacks. Just add kernels, flip the switch, and watch fresh popcorn flow straight into your bowl. Easy to use, easy to clean, and designed for healthier snacking, the Cuisinart Easy Pop makes homemade popcorn fun, quick, and delicious. Smart Food Warming Tray. Host like a pro. Our advanced heat circulation eliminates cold spots, ensuring every bite stays warm, whether it's grandma's casserole at Thanksgiving or tapas for your international potluck. No more frantic reheating, just relaxed hosting. Set it, forget it. Precision temperature, 104 to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 to 12-hour timer let you focus on guests, not gadgets. Child lock ensures toddlers can't mess up your settings, perfect for chaotic family gatherings. Gentle on countertops, tough on cold meals. Raised base pillars prevent surface damage while heating 30% faster. Safely warm ceramic dishes, metal trays, or holiday platters. No more lukewarm mashed potatoes. Pizza Cutter. Introducing the KitchenAid Classic Pizza Wheel, designed to slice through crusts with ease. Its sharp, stainless steel blade cuts smoothly through thick pizzas, flatbreads, pies, quesadillas, and more, no tearing or crushing. The built-in finger guard keeps your hand safely away from the blade, while the soft grip handle gives you control and comfort with every cut. From homemade pizza nights to store-bought slices, this 9-inch cutter is durable, easy to handle, and dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. A must-have kitchen tool for anyone who loves great slices without the struggle. Electric Hot Pot. Multifunction electric pot. Uliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The shabu shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Electric Deep Fryer. Meet the Presto 05420 FryDaddy Electric Deep Fryer, your compact, easy solution for crispy, delicious fried food at home. It uses just the right amount of oil to cook up to 4 servings, saving both time and cost compared to traditional fryers. The built-in thermostat keeps oil at the perfect frying temperature, so every batch comes out golden and evenly cooked. From French fries and chicken tenders to onion rings and donuts, FryDaddy makes the process simple with no temperature settings to adjust. Plus, the non-stick interior and snap-on lid make storage and cleanup a breeze. Easy, fast, and perfect for everyday snacking. Bacon Hanger. Enjoy perfectly crispy bacon in minutes with the Bacon Rack Microwave Hanger Cookware Tray. Simply hang your bacon strips, pop it in the microwave, and watch the grease drip away for a healthier, crunchy breakfast. Easy to use, quick to clean, and perfect for busy mornings. Get delicious bacon without the mess every time. Electric Vegetable Chopper. Simply stack and press to chop. The patented stack press design makes it easy to assemble and use. Simply press the lid to chop and release to stop. Since all you do is stack the lid on top of the bowl, no difficult twist locking is needed. Perfect size for everyday use. Chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. It's the perfect size for everyday use, yet small enough for easy storage. Easily chop, puree, and emulsify with stainless steel blades. Durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients including onions, carrots, and nuts. Oil dispenser on lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips, and sauces. Easy to clean. The bowl, lid, and removable blades of the Hamilton Beach Chopper are all dishwasher safe. Ice maker. Meet the Yuhami countertop ice maker, your perfect companion for home, kitchen, camping, or RV trips. This sleek black portable ice maker produces 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 lbs of ice in 24 hours. It features a convenient handle, basket, scoop, and auto-cleaning function for easy use and maintenance. Compact, efficient, and stylish. Enjoy fresh ice anytime, anywhere. Electric pressure cooker. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Fingerprint-resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety features. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Perfect size. Cook for up to 3 people. Perfect for smaller families or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Eggshell peeler. Peel hard-boiled eggs in seconds with the Easy EGGS hard-boiled egg peeler. This handheld kitchen tool can peel up to 3 eggs at once. Just add water, shake, and watch the shells slide right off. No mess, no hassle, just perfectly peeled eggs every time. The must-have gadget seen on TV for every kitchen. Microwave plus steamer. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this 10-inch microwave splatter cover with built-in water steamer. This 2-pack set works as both a splatter guard and a mini steamer, helping you heat meals evenly while preventing messy spills. The vented lid and easy lift handle make it simple and safe to use, whether you're reheating leftovers or steaming veggies. Durable, reusable, and designed to fit most plates, it's the perfect kitchen essential for faster, cleaner, and healthier cooking. Banana chocolate filler. Meet the Banana Loca, the fun and clever kitchen gadget that cores and fills a banana while it's still in its peel. In just seconds, you can create delicious stuffed banana treats with chocolate, peanut butter, honey, or any filling you love. It's quick, clean, and perfect for snacks, lunch boxes, or creative desserts. Great for families, food lovers, and anyone who enjoys a healthy twist with a tasty surprise. With Banana Loca, snack time just got way more fun. Juicer machine. Upgraded 800W motor. Centrifugal juicer machine with upgraded 800W high-speed motor. More efficient and powerful than cold-press juicer maker. Lasts much longer than other competitor. 3-inch wide mouth will save your time on cut everything into small sticks. Dual-speed juicer machine with 2-speed control. 1 low speed for soft fruits and veg, such as watermelon, orange, strawberry, etc. 2 high speed for some hard fruits and veg, such as carrot, celery, apple, pear, etc. Safety design and easy-to-clean juicer extractor with locking system arm. It will not work without cover locked into place. Overload protection system will switch off machine once overheating occurs. Detachable parts makes it easy to clean. To remove filter basket, please grasp the edge of the filter basket and pull up. Notice, avoid trying to juice things with a low water content. Lemon squeezer. The YZC Lemon Squeezer 2-pack is your compact, BPA-free solution for fast and effortless citrus juicing. Designed with a durable plastic build and a convenient lid, it keeps your hands clean while extracting every drop from lemons and limes. Perfect for cocktails, refreshing drinks, cooking, or everyday kitchen use, this lightweight citrus press delivers fresh juice wherever you need it. Easy to use, easy to store, and ideal for home, parties, and on-the-go flavor boosts. Margarita machine. Meet the cordless cocktail making machine, the ultimate upgrade for your home bar. With no capsules needed and 170 customizable recipes built in, you can craft perfect margaritas and countless cocktails anytime, anywhere. Its smart voice and button control make mixing effortless, whether you're hosting family gatherings or enjoying outdoor events. Portable, powerful, and and designed for fun, this margarita cocktail maker machine brings bar-quality drinks straight to your fingertips. So, which gadget surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kitchen and Home Review, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss our latest Amazon finds. So, friend, thanks to you for watching the full video.